Hi, to set clock to your home screen on your CMF phone one, first thing first, press and hold any free space on your home screen and choose Widgets. After that, you would see this list of widgets from which you would need to choose clock. And now you can find different styles of the clock, and also you can find here the stopwatch. If you want to, you can scroll up and check Nothing widgets and find clock from here. And let's choose this one, world. So I'm gonna touch and hold it. Now we can move it across the page to find the perfect position, and also we can drag it across the border to set it to second home screen. Now we can also resize it, and we can tap on any free space on the screen to set this widget. After that, let's press and hold it, and we can go in widget settings, and from system time we can switch to specific city. Now you'll need to search for a city. For example, let's search for Berlin and tap it to set. And after that, you should see location here and the actual time in the city. So to remove the widget, just press and hold it and choose this button, remove. And now this item is removed. You can also tap undo button and it would reappear on your home screen. So yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.